Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to fix unable to browse or open the YouTube on laptop. Okay, so you all know that YouTube is one of the most popular video sharing platform and most of the internet traffic happens due to the YouTube. Okay, so YouTube is one of the most popular website where you can watch movies, you can watch the videos, you can share the videos, you can watch the vlogs, you can create the vlogs and upload it. You can also listen to the music and you can watch whichever the place you want, which has been uploaded on the YouTube. Okay, so sometimes what you will feel is like whenever you are trying to open the YouTube website, you will not be able to open the YouTube on the laptop. Okay, so there will be some kind of issues sometimes which you face on your system or the laptop. Okay, so in this particular video, we'll see how you can fix that particular issue. Okay, so the fix number one is make sure to check that you have a proper internet connection. Okay, so always make sure that you have a proper internet connection with very good speed and a very good bandwidth. If you are having a poor internet connection, try to reset your router or the modem. But still, if you are facing the issue, you can contact the internet service provider. Okay, so before that, what you can do is like you can just go to the web browser and here you can check the speed of the internet through the website fast.com. So once you visit the website fast.com, so you can get to know the speed of your internet connection. Okay, so here the speed of the internet is more than 85 mbps. Okay, suppose if the internet speed is less than 10 or 15 mbps, then it means like your internet speed is too low to browse the YouTube website. Okay, so that's the first fix which you can do whenever you are trying to face this particular issue when you are not unable to open the browse or open the YouTube on the laptop. Okay, that's the first fix. And the second fix is check if there is any downtime for the YouTube. Okay, so what you can do is like you can go to the website downdetector.com. Okay, so what you can do is like you can just go to the Google and here you can type down detector YouTube. Okay, so once you visit this particular website, YouTube down real-time status issues and the outages. So once you visit this website, downdetector.in/status/YouTube. Okay, so once you visit this particular website, here you can get to know that user reports indicate no current problems at the YouTube. Okay, so if there is any kind of server maintenance or if there is any kind of ad hoc or the temporary maintenance is going on, here it will be updated. And if there is any kind of maintenance is going on, in that case you just need to wait for some time, then you can probably try again later. Okay, so this is the particular website where you can see if there is any kind of server issues or if there is any kind of maintenance is going on. Okay, so here it will be updated for every 1 hour, and here you can see if there is any kind of outages is going on. Okay, so that's the second fix which you can follow. And the third fix is try to clear browser cookies and caches. Okay, that's the third fix which you can follow whenever you are not able to open the YouTube on the laptop. Okay, so I have already made a separate video on how to clear your browser cookies and caches. Okay, so if you are using a Chrome, here you can go to the three dots and here you can click on delete browsing data. So here you can select all time and here you can select, here you can check box all the boxes and you can click on clear data. Okay, so that will clear all your browser cookies and caches. Okay, so you can follow these three methods whenever you are facing the issue with the YouTube when you are not able to open or browse the YouTube on the laptop. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.